Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the world's most beautiful destinations. Today, we're taking you on a journey to one of the most enchanting countries in the world, Ireland. Known for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture, Ireland is a destination that should be on everyone's bucket list. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the beauty of Ireland. Our journey begins in the heart of Ireland, Dublin. Dublin is the capital city of Ireland and is known for its lively atmosphere, historical landmarks, and delicious food scene. We start our tour by visiting Trinity College, one of the oldest and most prestigious universities in the world. The campus is home to the famous Book of Kells, which is a 9th century manuscript that contains the 4 Gospels of the New Testament. The Book of Kells is beautifully illustrated and is one of the most important cultural artifacts of Ireland. From there, we visit St. Patrick's Cathedral, which is the largest church in Ireland. The church is named after St. Patrick, the patron saint of Ireland, and is a significant landmark for both Catholics and Protestants. The cathedral is also known for its beautiful stained glass windows, which depict scenes from the Bible. Next, we head to the Guinness Storehouse, where we learn about the history of Ireland's most famous beer. The Guinness Storehouse is a 7-story building that was once used as a brewery. Today, it is a museum that showcases the history of the Guinness brand and its impact on Irish culture. We get to taste the famous beer and enjoy panoramic views of the city from the rooftop bar. Killarney National Park is a breathtaking natural oasis located in County Kerry, Ireland. Covering over 26,000 acres. It is the country's oldest national park and attracts visitors from all over the world. The park is renowned for its stunning landscapes, diverse wildlife, and rich cultural history. The park is home to several magnificent natural features, including the awe-inspiring MacGillycuddy's Reeks mountain range, the 3 serene lakes of Killarney, and countless cascading waterfalls. It also boasts a variety of flora and fauna, including native Irish red deer, otters, and birds of prey. In addition to its natural beauty, Killarney National Park is steeped in history and culture. Visitors can explore the ancient ruins of Macross Abbey, Rock of Cashel, and many other fascinating landmarks. The park also features numerous walking and cycling trails, as well as a network of waterways for boating and fishing. Overall, Killarney National Park is a must-visit destination for anyone who loves nature, history, and adventure. It offers a unique and unforgettable experience that showcases the best of Ireland's natural and cultural treasures. The Cork English Market is a historic covered market located in the heart of Cork City, Ireland. Established in 1788, the market is known for its wide range of fresh, locally sourced produce, including meats, cheeses, seafood, fruits, and vegetables. The market also features specialty stalls selling baked goods, spices, and other unique food items. In addition to its culinary offerings, the market has a rich history, having survived numerous fires and political upheavals over the centuries. Today, it remains a popular destination for locals and tourists alike, offering a glimpse into the vibrant food culture of Cork and Ireland as a whole. Kylemore Abbey is a stunningly beautiful Benedictine monastery located in Connemara, County Galway, Ireland. The abbey was originally built in the late 19th century as a private estate for Mitchell Henry, a wealthy businessman and politician. Following the death of his wife, Mitchell Henry gifted the estate to the Benedictine nuns, who established a boarding school for girls on the grounds. Today, Kylemore Abbey is a popular tourist destination, known for its breathtaking beauty and rich history. Visitors can explore the expansive gardens and woodlands, take a guided tour of the abbey's ornate interiors, and learn about the lives of the Benedictine nuns who have called Kylemore home for over a century. One of the most notable features of Kylemore Abbey is its Gothic-style chapel, which features stunning stained glass windows and a serene atmosphere for contemplation and prayer. The abbey also offers a range of activities and events throughout the year, including concerts, workshops, and retreats. Whether you are a history buff, nature lover, or simply seeking a peaceful retreat, Kylemore Abbey is a must-visit destination in Ireland. The Ring of Kerry is a scenic drive that circles the Iverack Peninsula in County Kerry, Ireland. The route is approximately 179 kilometers long and takes visitors through some of Ireland's most picturesque landscapes, including rugged coastline, sweeping beaches, and majestic mountains. Along the way, visitors can explore charming towns and villages, such as Killarney, Kenmare, and Cahersiveen, and learn about the history and culture of the region. Highlights of the drive include Macross House and Gardens, the Skellig Islands, and the Gap of Dunloe. The Ring of Kerry is a popular destination for tourists and locals alike and offers a glimpse into the natural beauty and rich heritage of Ireland. The Rock of Cashel is an ancient fortress located in County Tipperary, Ireland. The site is also known as Cashel of the Kings and was once the seat of the Kings of Munster. Today, the Rock of Cashel is a popular tourist destination and is considered one of the most significant historical and architectural sites in Ireland. The fortress includes a number of impressive structures, including a 13th-century Gothic cathedral, a 12th-century round tower, a 15th-century castle, and several other buildings and ruins. The site also features a museum that houses a collection of artifacts and exhibits related to the history of the area. Visitors to the Rock of Cashel can explore the impressive structures, take in the stunning views of the surrounding countryside, and learn about the rich history and culture of Ireland. The site is also known for its religious significance, and it is believed that St. Patrick himself visited the Rock of Cashel in the 5th century. Titanic Belfast is a museum and visitor experience located in Belfast, Northern Ireland, that tells the story of the famous ocean liner, RMS Titanic. The museum is housed in a striking modern building that is reminiscent of the ship's hull, and it is located on the site of the former Harland and Wolff shipyard where the Titanic was built. The museum features interactive exhibits, multimedia displays, and galleries that take visitors on a journey through the Titanic's construction, launch, and tragic sinking in 1912. Visitors can explore recreations of the ship's decks and cabins, learn about the lives of the passengers and crew, and discover the engineering feats that made the Titanic one of the most advanced ships of its time. In addition to the Titanic story, the museum also showcases the maritime and industrial heritage of Belfast, highlighting the city's history as a major shipbuilding centre. Titanic Belfast is a popular destination for tourists and locals alike, and is a must-visit attraction for anyone interested in the fascinating story of the Titanic. Thank you for joining me on this journey exploring the beauty of Ireland. From the lush green landscapes to the charming towns and historic sites, Ireland truly has something for everyone. I hope this video has inspired you to plan your own adventure and discover the magic of this incredible country. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with my future travel adventures. And if you have any suggestions or recommendations for future videos, be sure to let me know in the comments below.